Welcome to episode 4 of Can I Cook in My Car? All right, so yesterday we did the hot Italian sausage patty. So check out episode 3 for that. But today we're going to get off the meat wagon, which we've been doing for the last couple of episodes, and get on something a little bit different. So what do we have to cook today in our car? In my car, not our car, my car. Let's check it out. All right, we have cilantro lime rice in a bag. Looks good. Sorry for the sun glare, folks. We have to have optimal cooking area direction here. Quick and easy. All right. Maybe we'll add some steak next time and some peppers. So microwave. What do we got? 90 seconds. In the skillet until hot. So we are going to squeeze the pouch to separate the rice because it's like a rice brick in there. And then we will tear the notch and place it in our bread pan over here. All right. I'm going to get this all broken up here. Squeeze it. Yeah, that feels good. Yep, that does feel good. Mix it up. I don't know what all's in there. Rice, cilantro, lime, preservatives. Probably don't want to read the actual ingredients. Okay. That is good. I am going to tear this really quick. Hold tight. Okay, I have vented the rice bag. Put that there. Gonna go right here to protect our dashboard. By the way, I can focus here. $1.99 at Goodwill. There you go. Then you're going to take the tag off. There we go. Handy dandy thermometer is going there. So we can check our temp. And the bag. I don't know. It's going to stand up. Or let's see, let's do it like this. That way it can vent. All right, there we go. 90 seconds in the microwave. Probably, we'll see, 4 hours in the car should do the trick. We'll check it at lunchtime. All right, it is lunchtime for episode 4. I am checking on the 90-second cilantro lime rice that is cooking. I'll turn this around here. All right, there it is. Cooking away. Check the car here. All right, what's our temperature? We're 172-ish. Looks like. You can see that. All right, pretty hot. Let me get it down here and check it out. Oh, it feels nice and warm. I think our 90-second rice after 4 hours is done. Yep. It is nice and warm. Okay, since this is not raw meat, I think I am going to try it. Maybe we should take it to the back and give it a taste test here. It feels pretty done. All right, we're going to put it in the back and eat some. Okay, we're going to open the bag up here. Sorry, only got one hand. All right, what does it look like? Looks okay. Let's take a taste test, folks. Okay. Okay, it is hard to do this with my other hand. And so let's try it. All right. I think we're good. So like I said, this wasn't raw meat we're cooking today. It's just bagged rice. So I'm going to go ahead and eat it. I think I'm fairly safe from any type of food poisoning that may occur. But hey, it worked. Our 90-second rice only took 4 hours in the car. It was probably ready sooner than that, but it's all right. I'm actually going to go eat this for some lunch. And now you know. Take care. See you next time.